So in the last video, we look at how to label on ArcGIS Pro. So this video, we're quickly going to look at how to create a Choropleth map. All right, so just want to distinguish this so that they can have its own, something like that. But I'm not going to explain that. I've done that in ArcGIS Desktop. I explained extensively. Here, I'm just going to do hand-on. So to do that here, what you need to do is you right-click on this, and then you go to symbology. So on symbology, once it pops up, what you need to do is you click on this drop down here where you have simple symbol. We have also unique. So you go to graduated colors. So once you click on graduated colors, you're going to see that each of the whole place is going to have that graduated kind of feeling, So it's going to color everything in a RAM and all that. So we also have classes. Now normalization, let's say we want to classify them maybe based on total percentage, which I'm not sure there is, or let's use let's use them based on area. All right, so it's going to graduate it based on area, and then you're going to see that depending on what we have, okay, you want to graduate, if you want we have it's classifying based on natural breaks, and we have others which you can make attempt to, let's say equal interval. You will see what it does, it will do to it too as well. So but let's use natural break for this, and then let's return this back to where was it? Okay, I think it was in either this D or D2 or something. Let's return it to where it was before. Let's see percentage. There's basically no percentage, that's why it's like that. But this is how you can create a Choropleth map. Let's make this none. Alright, so this is how you can create a Choropleth map in ArcGIS Pro. So basically this normalization, these fields and all that are the fields that are already classified in your work. So you need to check if the whole thing is rhyming to what you're doing. So you need to know what you're actually feeling. But by default is what we just did. So let's cancel all of this. Right, let's cancel this. I want to redo it so that we see that. Okay, give me a minute. So I'm going to remove this and I'm going to bring it back because I prefer what we did from the very beginning. Alright, so you right click and you go to symbology, and then you just change it to graduated. Okay, so it was ID1 and none. Okay, in D1. Alright, so basically this is how you can create a Choropleth map in ArcGIS Pro. So this is just an illustration and an introduction to this whole thing. So you can use it and build on it and begin to see areas which you need this to be applied for you. So this is not as if we're telling this only what is limited to this, but this is trying to let you know that there are several applications you can apply, areas where you can apply this to, depending on what you want to do for data presentation and graphical representation. So you show them to make it clearer for you. So basically, this is what I have for you today. So don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and recommend someone to this channel. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next one, in the next video.